I wanted to show you tutorial. If you create model, sometimes it's hard to distinguish details. I have to check if I say correctly in English. Because I remember this word. Okay, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure I spoken this word properly. Sometimes it's hard to distinguish edges of the polygon when you work with polygons with lots of details. But don't worry, I found very interesting options. The ending work shading options you are using. I think because this will also work for markup. And the setting is called the cavity. As you notice, fence becomes visible when I use this option, especially when you look at beveled edges. This also works for Studio. Oh, I didn't know I can turn shades on. Oh, this is quite interesting. This is quite interesting because I didn't know this option. What does this option do? World. Okay. As you can see, everything becomes more visible when you don't use textures, uh, or you only use that polygon. This fast shading viewport. I find it easier because my fence becomes more visible. You can see everything seems to be more visible, especially when you look at the windows of polygons. That is why I decided to publish video tutorial about cavity options. I forgotten to check if that option works in edit mode. This this actually is working for edit mode. Okay, after I showed it to you this, I hope you like my video tutorial. I haven't finished the model of the house because I create model of the house. There is so much to discover. I didn't talk about everything in Blender.